Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go over TikTok's user search functionality. So how you can find different people, find your friends on TikTok and whatnot. It's pretty quick and easy, so I'm going to jump right in. So first I have TikTok open here. The most obvious way that you can search for users is to tap the little discover search icon on the bottom left. And then here you can tap in search. For example, I just typed in Ashley here. And then you can go to users, and here you can just scroll through. This will just give you a random list of people with the name Ashley. If it's a famous person, you can type in their name and they'll pop up here because obviously TikTok will know that they're famous, and they'll usually sort by the person with the most followers, so you can kind of see the most popular person with that name. But, say this is one example of, kind of finding a famous person. But if you want to find a specific friend, I'll show you how to do that. You can just hit back here. You can tap on the little me icon on the bottom right. And then you'll see at the very top left, you'll see the plus icon. And here what you can do is you can search, you can invite friends. So invite friends will let you basically copy a link or send a text message to send to friends. You can also tap find contacts. So this will give you all of your various contacts. And, if they have TikTok, then you'll be able to follow them on here. So these are everybody with TikTok accounts. Actually, where it says invite, they don't have a TikTok account yet. So that would basically be sending them a little message to invite them to TikTok. Where it says follow, you can just follow them. And then find Facebook friends. You can tap that and basically you can go through the steps to sign into Facebook, and it'll link your Facebook friends and see if they have a TikTok account. So that's various ways where you can find your different friends. If you're, doing a user search, you might not know their TikTok handle, so you can, use these various methods to be able to find your friends and follow them. I hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thanks.